The very first episode of Can She Make? I'm going to do something that I know I can make, almond milk. This is a huge mistake. When you make almond milk at home, it is really best if your almonds soak overnight. Most of us don't think ahead of time to soak our almonds overnight. What can you do? Well, you can soak them in the Instant Pot, and then it does 1 minute, and then I actually just do a quick release. So it's about as quick as you can get. The other option you could do would be to put the almonds in boiling water on the stove for about a minute. The Instant Pot just finished. Let me give you a bird's eye look of what it looks like inside. And if you want to make it really quick, you don't even have to peel the almonds, but I like to peel the almonds. A cup of almonds and 2 cups of water. Now I could add 3 or 4 cups of water to it, but I am choosing not to do that at this time. I am only going to do 2 because that's less that comes out of the nut bag. Now you want to add a little bit of salt. Almond Milk Program. Some honey. Okay. It's done, so it beeps like a bunch. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, this is not going to work. This did not work. So let's try something else. Oh, that's really tiny. Alright, let me show you. Here are the ones that I bought separate. They are much smaller.
So hey, maybe it's creamier this way.
Well, it does look very creamy.
It almost looks more like cream than milk.
But, let's see here.
Yeah, I think it just blended it into smithereens to where there's nothing left of the nuts. But
I was just hoping to not have to touch
The nut bag.
The nut bag. Look, I'm squeezing an almond udder. But I am gonna, it looks really creamy. I'm gonna put it in and blend it in with about 2 more cups of water, because that's usually where I keep it. I will say that it is less messy with, I mean, even though the French press was a big fat fail in terms of making almond milk, this size is good. And actually, I kind of like the size of the nut bag because it's
smaller, easier to handle.
I'm just trying to squeeze as much nut juice as possible. I will say that it did blend the almonds to smithereens.
Oh yeah, compared to the regular Ninja, that thing blended them to nothing.
Now, okay, so what it did was, you know, like every 6 or 7 seconds, it would blend it for 3 or 4 seconds.
Yeah, kind of like a surge. Then let everything settle down toward the blades and hit it again.
And then at the end, I still got milk coming. Otherwise, I'd be done. And there at the end, it hit it for a longer period of time. I think I almost...
I'll leave you to your nut milk.
I probably could have squeezed more milk out of that. Pulse. Let's do 5. I think that's way more milk than I usually get too. And there we have it, made some almond milk. Not looking good, folks. Not looking good. Hey honey, try this.
Not bad.
Not good. Not good at all. Really? I thought they were terrible.
Yeah, but I'm not stupid enough to say that. I mean, honestly, I thought they'd be way worse. The texture is a little grainy.
Needs more experimenting for sure. Do not try this recipe at your home. It is much smaller. I can't get this to work. I can't get it to press down.
Probably because of the consistency of the liquid in question. I think that's actually just going around it. You'll have to pour it out and see. But, oh, you don't lift it up. You actually just, yeah.
I'm still recording.
There's a little light flashing.
Yeah, I couldn't do that. I didn't have enough strength.
Yeah, that was a mother. And I'm not sure if it actually strained the way it's supposed to.
Well, I can tell you this. There was no clumps there, so. Oh, there's still. Wait. It may not have.
Yeah, I think it shot around the sides of the mesh. It didn't actually.
Okay, well. That was a big fat fail.
Well, did that thing blend it up so well that essentially with the regular blender we had clumps of nuts left? Is this blender so much better that it basically pureed the nuts into as much of a liquid as the stuff to where, you see what I'm saying? It's actually too good.
Well, where did my little bag go?